We often start with taking responsible risks. And I don't want to sound flip here or disrespectful to students, but failure is not always my fault. And I think that's what our students have experienced, so much failure, but through reflection of habits of mind. And as Lizette said, those weekly meetings, those check-ins, those reflections to know that not yet. You're going to get there. You can do it. You can do it through taking that responsible risk of turning in that assignment. And it may not be your best work, but you're going to reflect, you're going to draft, and you're going to turn in even better work. And one of the strengths that we have as a school is that we're not time bound. So if it takes you 6 months to master English composition, then you can take that 6 months. So there's a lot of power in able to reflect. But again, couching it in those habits. And I love that Joey said the habits of mind backpack, because one of the things, and I have said this since 2006, since we really saw the habits begin to be integrated into our work. We know it's working when we hear that term, my habits. When our students say, I'm using my habits of mind. What habit of mind served you well today? Once you've established that culture, you've built trust. They want to show up for you. They want to show up for themselves. And we certainly have found habits to be that common language and that real integrating factor for us.